Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, my dears. So, which period is this? This is your English period. This is your English period. Okay, so just I want to ask two questions from you. After that, we will start our class. Okay, first tell me what is your school name? What is the school name? The name of school Gokul Das Public School. Okay. Where do you live? I live in Khargon. Okay. In which class you are studying? I am studying in class LKG. In which class? LKG. Okay, my dear. So we have learned vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Okay. Tell me which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Repeat again. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Okay, name the 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Okay, now my dears, look that. We have learned words of vowel A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so tell me the sound of A. Sound of E, A. Sound of I, E. A, E, I, O. Sound of O is O. Sound of U is A. So we have learned words of A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound and U sound. Okay. Now we are doing exercise related this sound. What we are doing? Now we are doing exercise related this sound. Okay, my dears. Now all of you look at the board. Okay, we have in last lecture we have done exercise related A and E sound. In last lecture we have done exercise related A and E sound. Okay, so now today we will do exercise related I and O. I and O. Okay, so now all of you, now I am going to start explaining you all this exercise till you fold your hands and sit properly. Okay, what you have to do? You have to fold your hands and sit properly so that I can explain you properly and you have full concentration on here. Okay, so let us start our class. Okay, now look here, all of you. Read and write the word, color the matching picture. What we have to do? We have to read, write and color the picture. Okay? What we have to do? We have to read, then write and which word we are writing here? We have to color that picture. Okay, understand? Okay, now look here, read this. How you will read? Pa, I, N, pin. Pa, I, N, pin. You also say with me. Okay, what is sound of I? What is the sound of I? The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. So, pa, I, N, pin. Okay, sound of P is pa, sound of I is E, and sound of N is N. Pa, I, N, pin. Pa, I, N, pin. Now, right here, P, I, N, pin. Pa, I, N, pin. Now you have to write here in the box. Pa, I, N, P-I-N. Pa, I, N, pin. Okay. Now look at this. This is picture of pin. No, this is a pen. This is a picture of pin. No, this is a hat. This is a picture of pin. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to color it. Color this picture pin. What you have to do? You have to color this picture pin. Okay. Now next. First what we have to do? First we have to read this. First we have to read, then this we have to write, and after that we have to color the picture. Okay. Now, what is sound of F? Sound of I, E. Sound of N, N. In, fin. E, N, fin. E, N, fin. Right here. E, N, fin. F-I-N. Okay. E, N, fin. E, N, fin. So what is the fin? The fish of fin. The fish. The fins are there, no? So we call it fin. Now, which picture is this? This is a picture of a cup. This is a picture of a cup. So you will color this. This is a fin? No. Now, which picture is this? This is fish. And fish have fin? Yes. So what you will do? You will color this picture. You will color this picture because the fish has fin. Okay. What you will do? You will color this picture. Okay. And which is the next picture? Which is the next picture? Is it sun? So this is a fin. Sun has fin? No. So you will color it? No. We will not do any color. Okay. Done? Done all of you? Yes. After that, next. Look here. Now, next. B, E, N, win. Read this. B, E, N, win. B, E, N, win. Repeat after me. B, E, N, win. So right here. W, I, N. V, E, N, win. Okay. Now, which is a picture? When we win, what we get? We get trophy. What we get? Trophy. So, this is picture of trophy. Yes. So, what you will do? You will color the picture. What you will do? You will color the picture. Okay. Because this is picture. When we win, we get trophy. When we win, we get trophy. So we will color this trophy. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is picture of win. No, this is a den where lion lives. This is a tree. So we will not color both the picture. Okay, done. First, P, E, N, pin. F, E, N, fin. V, E, N, win. Now, next. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. Sound of T is T. Sound of I is E. And sound of N is N. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. So, T, I, N. Tin. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to color the tin picture. What we have to do? We have to color the tin picture. This is picture of tin. No, this is pot. This is a picture of tin. No, this is 10. This is a picture of tin. Yes. So what we will do? We will color the picture. What we will do? We will color the picture. Color the tin. Okay. Nicely and properly. Okay. What you have to do? You have to color the picture of tin. What you have to do? You have to color the picture of tin. 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 Okay. This is picture of tin. Now next. Zip. 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 What is the sound of Z? Z. Z. Zip. Zip. Say after me. Zip. Z-I-P. You know a zip? You have in your bag zip? Yes. So this is zip. This is a picture of zip? No. This is a picture of web. This is a picture of zip? Yes. So what you will do? You will color this picture. You will color this picture. Okay. Now this is a picture of zip? No. This is a mop. This is a mop. So we can't be able to color it. Okay. Done. This part is done. This part is done. So you have to do this in your notebook. First you have to read, then you have to write, and after that you have to color the picture. Okay. Now we will move to next exercise. Okay. The next exercise is draw a line connecting the vowel sound O. What you have to do? Draw lines connecting the vowel sound O to the picture. This is a O vowel sound words. What you have in first, what you have to do? This is O. What is sound of O? O. And in which picture O sound come? In which picture O sound come? We have to connect that with picture. We have to connect O with that picture. Okay. What you have to do? You have to connect the picture with sound O. With sound O. So look here. What is this? Top. 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 What is this? This is top. Top or pa. Top or pa. So this sound is coming O. This sound is coming top or pa. Top. Top or pa. Top. So O sound is coming. Yes. So what we will do? We will match the picture. What we will do? We will match the picture. So match O with top. This sound is coming O. Top or pa. Top. Top or pa. Top. Okay. Now, which picture is this? This is picture of cot. 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 So, which sound is coming? K or T. Cot. K or T. Cot. So, which sound is coming? O sound is coming? K or T. Cot. So, what we will do? We will match the picture. Yes or not? Yes, we will match the picture. Because this O sound is coming in this picture. Cot. K or T. Cot. K or T. Cot. Okay. Now, next picture. What is picture of this? Fish. We are already tracing this. Fin. So, fin. In fin, what O sound is coming? F. E. No. O sound is coming? No. So, we will not match this picture. Okay. Now, which picture is this? This is picture of pot. Pot. This is picture of pot. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. O sound is coming? Yes. O sound is coming na? P-O-T. Pot. So what we will do? We will match this picture with O. Yes. We will match this picture with O. P-O-T. Pot. Okay. Now look at next picture. Which picture is this? This is pan. Pan. This picture is pan. So O sound is coming. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. O sound is coming in this word? No. O sound is not coming. So we will match this picture? No. We will not match this picture. Okay. Like this you have to identify the picture and you have to say the name of that picture. After that you have to match it. Okay. Now next. Look here. Now let's look here. Fill in the missing letter in each word. These are the words and picture also given. You have to identify the picture and you have to fill the missing letter in the word. What you have to do? You have to identify the picture and you have to fill the missing letter in the picture. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is a dot. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. So what you will write? D-O-T. D-O. O sound is of O. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Now, which picture is this? Heart is hot. It is hot. 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 So which sound is coming? Hot. So which vowel will come here? O. Which vowel will come here? O. Hot. Hot. Now look at down. Which is the picture of boy? B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. So which sound is coming? B-O-Y. Like this. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay. Now look here at this picture. The picture is this box. This is a picture of box. B-O-X. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. So which sound is coming? B-O-X. So what you will write here? O. B-O-X. Box. Okay. What is the picture? This picture of dog. This is picture of dog. So D-O-G. Dog. Which sound is coming? D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. So which sound is coming? O. So what is D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay. So take a screenshot. So if you want, you can take a screenshot and you do this in your notebook. Okay. Now we will recite one rhyme. Okay. What we will do? We will recite one rhyme. So are you ready? Okay, now ready? Now ready? Okay, so stand up all of you. Yes, stand up. stand up all of you and ready. So, okay, now we will recite the rhyme. Pussycat, pussycat. Which rhyme? Pussycat. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what do you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Okay, again we will repeat. Okay, you also repeat with me. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? Say all of you. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London. I have been to London to look at the Queen. To look at the Queen. I have been to the London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what do you do there? Pussycat, pussycat, what do you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Okay, again we will do. Okay. Pussycat, 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 where have you been? I have been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what do you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Okay, now all of you clap. Okay, now recite this poem again and again at your home. Okay, till then bye and have a nice day. Look after yourself.